Hi everyone, this is Tanushri Dotto from B.Ed second semester and my method paper is English. Today I'm going to discuss a poem named I Travel Among Unknown Men. This is a beautiful poem written by William Wordsworth. Before starting, I will give you some information about the poem. So, William Wordsworth was born in the year 1770 in England. He was known as the English Romantic poet as he helped to launch the Romantic age in English literature. And the main theme of his poem was the beneficial influence of nature. And the poem which I'm going to discuss today, I Travel Among Unknown Men, is the third poem of Lucy series. Here, one question may arise in your mind that who is Lucy? So the answer is Lucy was unrequited love of Wordsworth. And the poem I Travel Among Unknown Men is a love poem which is written in the year 1801 and published in the year 1807. Let's start the poem. In the first stanza, the poet says, I travelled among unknown men in lands beyond the sea, nor England did I know till then what love I bore to thee. So we can see that the poem begins with the describing of the poet's travels. Once he was traveling among unknown men in a foreign land. While he was traveling, he missed his homeland a lot. Actually, he did not feel his love for England until he travels to other places. Okay, now we will see the second stanza where the poet says, it is past that melancholy dream, nor will I quit thy shore a second time, for still I seem to love thee more and more. So in the second stanza, we can feel the melancholy tone of the poet. He explained here that his travels occurred in the past and he does not intend to leave the shores of England a second time, as he still feels that his love for England more and more as time goes by. Now we will see the next stanza where the poet says, among thy mountains did I feel the joy of my desire, and she I cherished turned her will beside an English fire. So, in this stanza, the poet detailed his joyful days in England in past. And he mentioned here his desires. So, if you focus in the second half of the stanza, you will find that the object of his desire was the woman and who turned his spinning wheels beside an fireplace. And who is the woman here? Lucy is the woman here. And who is Lucy? Lucy was unrequited love of Wordsworth. So like the second stanza, here we also find the same nostalgic tone of the poet. Now we will see the last stanza where the poet is trying to say that thy morning shower, thy night conceal the bowers where Lucy played, and thine too is the last green field that Lucy's eyes surveyed. It means that the poet explains here that the morning light reveals Lucy's cottage while the night concealed it. And the poet concludes the stanza and the poem by saying that England's green field was the last place that Lucy saw and that she passed away there. So, from the discussion, we come to know that the poem speaks of Wordsworth's love for England and turns to Lucy towards the end. That's all for today. Thank you.